Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you RejuvaCare Lean Patch review. Is it a scam or is it legit? The RejuvaCare Lean Patch, also known as the OzemPatch, claims to help with weight loss by burning fat and curbing appetite. It's promoted as a cheaper, easier alternative to injections like GLP-1s. While some users say they've seen small results, there's no real science backing it up, no clinical testing, no approval. There's also red flags like hidden charges, poor quality patches, and complaints about skin irritation or them not sticking. All in all, it's not a total scam, but it's far from reliable. If you're thinking about trying it, it's safer to consult your doctor first. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.